fight me. Oh! Oh, she got us, guys. She's like, what are you doing? I don't care. Well, I care. I care. I care. I care. Okay. Anyways, hi guys. It's me. Me. And we are here today to celebrate, I don't know, I guess me living for another day. Woo! And yes, the porridge was just this morning, so. It's not even a new day. Yeah. See, there's still my dish from this morning, from that porridge video. I still haven't cleaned up the things I use anyways. Like it's all still there. So it wasn't even that long ago. So yeah. I don't know why I'm making another video. I just thought it would be fun. Because I was being attacked by my cat and she stopped caring, so we're gonna annoy her with this fan. Are you annoyed yet? Oh, no, Roxy, come back. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Roxy, baby, please. Babe. Baby. Please, please. Ugh. She left me. No, she's... Oh, she's coming back. Oh, please don't leave me alone here. Please. Please. Love me. It counts. She loves me. Oh, I love you too. I love you. Oh, she loves me. Senpai! Senpai! Senpai noticed me. Yeah, this video is all about my cats because my cats are fabulous. And yeah, and they're fabulous. So, let's go see my... Sorry, that was loud. Let's go see my other cats. And maybe the dog. Oh, special appearance. I'm sorry, I woke you up from your nap. I'm sorry. I'll just leave you alone now. No, he's coming. He's coming for me. And there, that lump of blackness right there, that is... Hold on a second. It's my other cat. Vader. Lots of things are happening right now. Yeah. Roxy, leave the boxes alone. Oh yeah, and we bought a new house. Hi, Vader. Jeez, you're just a ray of pitch black, aren't you? No licking the camera. Well, and that is it for Vader. He's had all of his excitement today. Don't jump. Well, that is it for my video on cats. I hope this was educational. And since I still haven't developed an outro, bye.